In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy animations with the Animation Painter in PowerPoint. This straightforward tool can save you time and effort when applying animations across your slides. So, whether you are new to PowerPoint or looking to brush up on your skills, this tutorial is designed to be easy to follow and comprehensive. To begin, we need to get PowerPoint up and running on your desktop. If you don't have it open already, go ahead and launch it now. Once you're in, you'll need to decide whether you want to work with an existing presentation or create a new one. You can open a recent project if you have an animation in mind, or start fresh with a blank slate to explore how animations can enhance your slides. Now, we need to focus on the object that already has the animation effect you want to duplicate. This could be any part of your slide, a text box, image, or shape. Click on that object to select it. Next, we'll navigate to the Animations tab, which you'll find on PowerPoint's top menu ribbon. This tab provides a variety of animation options for your presentation. Within this tab, look for the Advanced Animation group. In this area, you will spot an icon that looks like a paintbrush called the Animation Painter. You'll want to click on that button. This action will change your cursor to a paintbrush icon, indicating that you're ready to transfer your animation settings. The paintbrush cursor is a signal that you are now equipped to apply the specific animation style to another object on your slide. Click on the object you want to animate in the same way as your source object. With a single click, the animation is copied over, and the Animation Painter will automatically deactivate. It's as simple as that. Practical tip: if you want to copy the animation to multiple objects, you would double-click the Animation Painter button instead of a single click. This keeps the tool active until you turn it off, allowing you to apply the animation to as many objects as you need, and there you have it, a quick and effective way to use the Animation Painter in PowerPoint. By mastering this tool, you can enhance the visual appeal of your presentation while maintaining consistency across slides in just a few clicks. Keep practicing with this feature, and it'll become a natural part of your PowerPoint skill set. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to explore other PowerPoint tools and tips to continue improving your presentation skills. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!